well.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
He's like, thank you for your help.
French onion dip.
Hurry up, buddy.
Maybe he'll like it with the French onion dip on it.
Yeah.
And this guy's gonna be like, oh,
Yeah.
I had the best French onion dip. I'm gonna go, oh no.
Hey, it's a nice last meal.
Movement.
Now we're restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is it.
Oh.
Here it goes.
Oh,
Are
yeah.
you watching? Yeah. Hurry up.
Do it, buddy, do it.
He's getting closer and closer.
He's like, is that organic?
Shit, I'm gonna start off.
Don't move, don't move.
The dip is jiggling.
That was so funny. I'm like crying now. Crying as I'm holding this up, and I'm sweating. Sweating and crying.
It's very intense.
That leg is just thing out in
I
front.
know. Getting ready to go.
Do it, buddy, do it.
Try getting closer to you.
Can you tilt it up a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
There, now we can look at that
there we
meaty
go.
rump on the back of that. Oh, there it is.
The meaty rump.
Go for it.
Oh.
Not even looking.
It's huge. You got no clue.
That was like making me sweat. I was
all video.
I was afraid to move. I didn't want to mess up the experiment.
It's so sad. The flies like my butt's being eaten.
Yeah, he's trying to put my eyes are open.
Whatever. We would have swatted him in a second.
Well, at least he had a last meal before he.
I mean, he had some pretty delicious.
I mean, that's pretty good.
3 flies.
Maybe he'll learn now not to